Hey everyone, so before I get into this video, I just want to tell you to use extreme caution if you do this method. I am taking off the edges of the soaps with a knife. I am being very careful, but if I had an X-Acto knife, I would have used that instead. Much easier to control. But I am just taking the edges of the soap that have spilled over or just aren't pretty enough, and I am just using my knife to carefully take it off and to carefully make these look like wrenches. I got an order for 20 soap wrenches, and so I finished the order, and these are pretty fragile. So if you do end up making soap wrenches, I would highly suggest that you make a few extra just in case they're for an order, and just use caution when handling them, because depending on climate and how the temperature in your house is, they can kind of bend a little bit. But I am just cleaning them up so that they look like wrenches for my customer.